Hello, good day to all employers in Turkey. I am Remia Villegas Gabilangoso. I am 35 years old. I am a single mother. I have 2 children, 15 years old boy, 9 years old girl. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. I am reliable, trustworthy, hardworking, and patient. My hobbies are biking, swimming, and play the badminton. I have a work experience in Saudi Arabia for 2 years, in 6 years in Hong Kong. I serve a couple and 5 children. The ages of children are 1 year old, 3 years old, 5 years old, 7 years old, and 10 years old. My duties and responsibilities: every morning, I prepare their breakfast, uniforms, school bags, and other things for school. I wash the feeding bottles and sterilize. I wash the clothes while cleaning the house and tidy. I take care of the 1 year old, feeding the nutritious food, take her a bath, singing nursery rhymes, teaching the words and pronunciations, play with the children like badminton, catch the ball, and puzzle. I'm teaching them at school. I've also do the market, water the plants. When they get sick, I've always monitored their body temperature and give them medicine on time. I also cooking and prepare their meals with a proper hygiene. My personal hygiene: every day I take a bath and always hand sanitize. To my future employer, I'm willing to do all my best and willing to serve with your family with all my heart. Thank you and God bless.